Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view the sunrise and sunset information on your Suunto Vertical watch. Now, just like most other things on here, the most basic way you can do this is you can add it as a complication or a data field on your watch face. You can see on this watch face, the next occurrence for me is going to be sunset today at 6:43 p.m. So that's one way to view it, add it as a complication on your watch face. The other way is I can simply press the down button, or if you're a touchscreen person, you can swipe down and you can add the sunrise sunset widget to your widget listing. When I go to the widget, it's basically going to show me the same thing. It's just going to be bigger. 6:43 is going to be my next occurrence, and you can see that's in 4 hours and 13 minutes. So you get a little bit more information when you go to the widget. If I press the middle button on the right hand side of the watch while I'm on the widget, it'll give me even more information, and we can kind of see a graphical representation of from sunrise this morning till sunset and where am I currently at. You can see that little triangle that shows me my current value. When I'm inside the widget, not only can I see the next occurrence, but I can also see what was my previous occurrence. So in my case, 7:30 this morning was sunrise, 6:43 again is sunset. Also in here, you have your moon information. If you look down at the bottom, you can see my current moon phase as well as the percent of the moon that is visible. It's 45%. I can press the down button. We can see some additional information. How many hours of daylight do we have today? 11 hours and 12 minutes. And then again, I can press down and I can see my till sunset, time until sunset, which again is my next occurrence, 4 hours and 13 minutes. And then last but not least, you can go to the very bottom and you can see your moon information. Here it actually gives you a description, third quarter, and then again, it's just larger font for you, your moon phase, and then the percentage of the moon phase. Pretty simple. Not only there, when you're doing an activity, you can also see your sunrise or sunset information in your activity. Also, you can set a till sunrise, till sunset alert on the watch. I've done a video in the past to show you that. Once you're done with the widget, simply press and hold the middle button, get you back, press it again, get you back to your main watch face, and that's a look at the sunrise and sunset widget on your Suunto Vertical watch. I hope the video helped.